teach students how to learn and build their passion for learning before we teach them what to learn. This research-led approach provides pre-K students with the knowledge and skills to start on the road to success. Our early learning academies have immersive museum-quality classrooms with paired themes such as Marvelous Me and World Culture, On the Road and Space City, and more. Students and their teachers rotate through the immersive classrooms every 2 to 3 weeks while participating in whole group, small group, and individual lessons in the left brain and right brain classrooms. Daily movement lessons promote healthy mind-body connection, along with learning about healthy eating choices, enhancing motor skills, and using giant vocabulary words. Another part of our instructional day, family-style breakfast and lunch, promotes social skills, table manners, directionality, fine motor skills, and more. Left brain and right brain classroom instruction will support students' development and increase their self-control, thinking, and problem-solving skills as they discover, explore, and connect to the world around them. Partnerships through our outreach program bring in real-life connections from the surrounding areas such as the Eddie V. Gray Wetland Center, Houston Zoo, and mobile veterinarian Dr. Wendy Krause.